Hey everyone, it's Jen. I interviewed two directors from the local YMCA to learn more about their expanding food and cooking program. I hope you enjoy. Who did I interview and why? I met with Ryan Murphy and Leah Wood, both from the Frederick County YMCA. Leah is ultimately responsible for the planning and implementation of the YMCA's cooking program, but she was away on vacation. I met with Ryan at the teaching kitchen and followed up with Leah to ask more direct questions about her program planning experience. And while not a person, I included the teaching kitchen on this list because I had the opportunity to tour the kitchen and I sat in the space where the cooking classes are taught. Why did I select this program? I chose the WISE cooking program because I was interested in their engagement with adolescents and how they're utilizing the teaching kitchen. I was interested in meeting the brains behind the program. Just to give a quick bit of background, the YMCA has operated a limited cooking program for the past 4 years, but the addition of the teaching kitchen 2 years ago really opened the door to more opportunity to engage the larger community. They've done cooking camps over the past several summers, which are open to 10 to 16-year-olds and last for 11 weeks. The individual classes they offer have been available for 2 years and change based on the instructors within the teaching pool and the expertise and background the instructors bring to the table. Occasionally, the Y will offer discounts for participating in an entire series of courses, and they have just recently added cooking birthday parties in the teaching kitchen. The WISE cooking program is offering a few important benefits to the community, from increasing food knowledge and nutrition education to their work to increase access to healthy foods. Classes are varied and appeal to all ages, from parents with small children to older adults. Also, classes span different skill levels, with some classes increasing basic cooking skills and others exploring different cultures. Membership is a benefit, but cooking classes are open to the public, and members receive a small discount on pricing. A program like this, that is but one of many programs under the WISE umbrella, does come with challenges. The teaching kitchen is a small space and has capacity for 15 to 20 participants at a time. Funding is always a consideration, and finding instructors to teach the classes is an ongoing challenge. There's also limited nutrition training among the staff, although they do work with experienced instructors and they draw on their expertise. Lastly, participation naturally varies from class to class, although the demand remains strong. I learned a great deal during my interviews with Ryan and Leah. Most importantly, the Y has 40,000 members out of a county population of about 255,000, which is huge. Given their broad reach within the county and within Frederick City, the YMCA is positioned to make a significant impact on county health outcomes. They have a robust program for offering financial assistance to families in need, whether for membership or for specific programming. Their stated cause and vision is to strengthen community through youth development, healthy living, and social responsibility. To this end, they have previously engaged in partnerships, and they're working on new partnerships to extend their reach and impact. One such partnership is with Federated Charities to expand a program called Community Table, which offers cooking classes and food shares to low-income families. The Y is also working together with Hungry Harvest to start a Produce in a Snap program in the teaching kitchen beginning in 2019. I found there to be a lot of room for nutrition training either among staff or among the cooking instructors. This could help to give the program more purpose and direction, and I would love to see more targeted classes and class series. Talking with Ryan and Leah and seeing the teaching kitchen also drove home the realities of their particular challenges and their stable of resources. Both Ryan and Leah have many other competing priorities. The cooking program is just one among many. Lastly, given our specific focus on evaluation over the past couple of weeks, I was struck by how little evaluation they undertake. Leah had done a member survey just over a year ago, but there's no formal feedback requested of class participants, parents, or instructors. Relatively inexpensive tools such as annual surveys, participant feedback sheets, and interviews with the instructors could provide significant insight into the program. They have both indicated that feedback has been very valuable, but it remains an informal process for now. I had a really great learning experience, and I'm really excited to see how the WISE cooking program takes off in the coming years. Thanks for watching, and here are my references.